Welcome to Microsoft Excel Complete Training Program. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to use a comment, how to comment on Excel cell, and to remember anything, or do you want to say something to someone, or any comment for the purpose of identification or for commentary. We can do it from the comment cell. We can use it in very in dynamic way. Let's suppose we have a man data sheet where we have some employees, our salesmen, and few products and their sales as well, and we have a KPI column as well, and we want to know where our employees are working perfectly, efficiently or not, and if they are achieving the targets, then we are giving them bonuses. So we have a monitor kind of a sheet, and in other sheets we have sales data of other employees, like John's data, sales data is in this sheet, and Sarah's is here on next sheet, and Michael's data is on third sheet, and Emily's sales data is on fourth sheet. And let's suppose we have all the data compiled here. Their cells are reflecting in the monitor sheet, and on basis of their cells we have established a KPI, so that if they are achieving the targets, if they are giving their 100%, so we are giving them like bonuses kind of stuff. Or let's do it. Before writing a comment, let's do it like a revision kind of stuff. Like if we can make it like okay, let's before going to comment, we should establish a indicator. Let's go to the conditional formatting. If we say if we have a top 10 sales, reflect the top 10 salesmen in our organization, and that should reflect it in green text. Okay, so here we go. We have four four employees, four salesmen who have sold and achieved the target. They are giving their 100%, and Sarah is selling above the given target. Okay, and we want to know the bottom employees as well, bottom three. So we will go to the conditional formatting, and we'll say bottom 10, but we will do like bottom 3. Okay, and we highlight it by like a let's find a customized kind of color. Okay, okay, something is wrong. Okay, like red maybe, yeah. Okay, here we go. We have three employees who are at the bottom and four on top. Since two employees are achieving their targets and two are going beyond their given miles. Okay, if you want to give better look to this sheet, what we can do, we will reflect these figures through the bars. Okay, let's do few bars like maybe yellow or green, and we can have some icons as well, whether if they're performing good or not, with average, below average, and above average. Okay, okay, let's put some comments on the top four employees. uh, let's do the color stuff. Let's select a different color of the bars, maybe blue. Okay, so these four employees are top three in fact, and like if I'm giving comment, let's go to the comment bar. I'm giving comment like well done HR, please announce bonus. Okay, same here, HR, announce bonus. So since I am maybe the owner, or I'm owner or manager of the company, and I am giving instructions to the HR bonus. Okay, and HR is looking the sheet, since the sheet we assume that the sheet is on share, so he can see what his manager or his boss is giving comments to him. Okay, we'll give him like a final warning: you are not achieving the targets. Okay, again, careful, like to him as well, careful. Okay. We can see some indicative bars. When you will move your cursor to the relevant cell, you will find the indicative cell as well. Let's see where, if we can. Yeah, here it is. A small red indicative icon. So when you will move your mouse to the indicative icon, it will reflect the commentary. Okay. Okay, if we want to move to the comments like as I moved earlier, so what we can do, we can move from this bar as well. Next we can go next and previous, like we want to go the previous comments. And if I want to reflect all the comments, and I want to print those comments as well, so we'll do show all the comments. Okay. Okay, what we can do, we can adjust the comments box as well, since we are printing, so it should be a in a better form. Okay, like if we are running a small company, and you don't need to have your ERPs and stuff. You can have a Excel sheet. You can share the Excel sheets with the other employees, so that they can punch the data on their own sheets, and you are monitoring the your sales on the monitor sheet. Like John is punching his sales here, Sarah is punching her sales here, or maybe it's her ledger, or Michael is here, and my Emily's data is here, and all these data is compiled up, up to this monitor sheet. And we have established few KPIs, and on basis of the KPIs, manager can give instructions. If it cannot, in the same sharing network, either it may be on email, you can share it through the network, on the cloud as well. And you can restrict the users. John can punch here, Sarah can punch here, or Michael can punch here data, and Emily can punch their data here, and no one can punch or touch the monitor sheet. So they can see what manager is giving comments, and you can easily use the Excel sheet, and you can use the comments as instructions to the subordinates, or even maybe for your own memory. So if you want to delete the comments, you can just delete it from here, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, like this. And okay, so we can delete the comments, we can move around on the comment cell,